In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to top up your Lycamobile balance online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add credit through the official website or app, pay securely, and see your balance update right away, plus a couple of trusted alternatives if you prefer using a third-party service. First, open your browser and head to the official Lycamobile website or launch the Lycamobile app on your phone. For the smoothest experience, make sure you have a stable internet connection and, if you're using the app, that it's updated to the latest version. If you're on the website, check that the address bar shows a secure connection to the official site to help keep your details protected. Next, look for the option called Quick Top Up. It's usually easy to spot on the homepage of the website and prominently displayed in the app. Tap or click Quick Top Up, then type in your Lycamobile phone number, enter it carefully and double-check every digit. If you're prompted to confirm your country or region, make sure it matches your number so the credit goes to the right account. Now choose the amount you want to add. You'll typically see a few preset amounts, so pick what best fits your needs. This credit is applied to your Lycamobile balance and can be used for calls, texts, data, or bundles according to your plan. If you're unsure which amount to select, consider your recent usage so you don't top up too little or too much. When you're ready, continue to payment. You can pay by card, PayPal, or other digital methods that may include mobile wallets. Follow the secure checkout prompts and complete any verification steps from your bank or payment provider. Look for the padlock icon or other security indicators and avoid refreshing the page while your payment is processing so you don't trigger duplicate charges. After you've paid, your balance should update instantly. You'll usually see an on-screen confirmation and you may receive a text or email receipt as proof of the top-up. If the new balance doesn't appear right away, give it a moment, then refresh the app or log out and back in. Avoid clicking the pay button again while you wait to prevent multiple payments. If you prefer using a third-party service, you can also top up online with recharge.com or bcharge. These platforms let you select your operator, choose an amount, and pay securely. Just make sure you pick the correct country and operator, review any service fees, and follow their on-screen instructions for direct top-up or voucher delivery. That's it. Quick, secure, and convenient. Happy topping up.